A fresher recently walked into a data science interview with no big degree and no years of experience. Just a certification, a strong portfolio, and the skills to prove it. And he walked out with an 18 LP offer. Now, this is not just luck anymore. According to McKinsey report, the demand for deep analytical talent could exceed supply by 50 to 60%. Now, that gap, that empty chair, that could be your opportunity. And with the right set of skills and certifications, you can grab that chance. Now, does that mean that your degree does not matter? Of course not. Your degree gives you a strong foundation, but today, companies are also looking at what you can actually do, the projects that you have built, the tools you know, and the problems you can solve. And that is where, with real projects, proven skills, and the right certifications, you are not just applying, you are actually standing out. So if you're planning to start a career in data science or upgrade your current skills, this video is for you. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 data science certifications by Simplilearn that can help you build practical skills and grow your data science career in 2026. So without any further ado, let's get started. At number 1, we have the Professional Certificate course in Data Analytics and Generative AI by ENICE Academy IT Kanpur in collaboration with Simplilearn. Now, this course is a great choice for anyone who wants to build a career in data analytics, especially now that generative AI is becoming a major part of the industry. The program covers key skills like Excel, SQL, ETL, Python, R, data visualization, data storytelling, and generative AI. So you're not just learning how to work with data, but also how to clean it, analyze it, visualize it, and turn it into useful business insights. And that is exactly why this course deserves the number 1 spot on our list. What makes it even more relevant is that it also includes prompt engineering, ChatGPT, applications of generative AI and data analytics. So along with traditional analytics, you can also learn how to use modern AI tools to work faster and smarter. Now, this course also gives you strong practical exposure with 215 plus hands-on exercises and 12 plus industry-relevant projects. You'll be working on projects like e-commerce sales analysis, SQL-based employee performance mapping, Tableau dashboards, Python apps, and marketing analysis. You will also get live online classes, master classes from IT Kanpur faculty, and a certificate from ENICE Academy IT Kanpur. Plus, Simplilearn's Job Assist help with profile building, interview preparation, mock interviews, and career support. So if you're a beginner, working professional, or someone planning to switch into data analytics, this course gives you a strong mix of analytics tools, Gen AI skills, project certifications, and career support. Now, coming at number 2, we have Simplilearn's Data Analyst Masters Program. Now, this isn't just another online course where you can watch videos and forget everything the next day. This is an 11-month live interactive program built in collaboration with Microsoft Azure, where you actually learn by doing. And when you complete it, you don't just get one certificate. You get master's certificate from Simplilearn and official Microsoft course completion certificate, which, trust me, looks really good on your resume. So what exactly will you learn? Think of all the tools that top companies actually use now. SQL, Python, R, Tableau, Power BI, Excel, Microsoft Azure. You'll get hands-on experience with all of them. And it's not just about theory, you'll be working on 20 plus real-world projects like building a fraud detection system, predicting customer purchase behavior, and creating live dashboards for real business idea. And by the time you finish, you won't be just knowing data analytics. You will have a portfolio that proves it. But here's what I really love about this program. Simplilearn doesn't just teach you and leave you on your own. They have Job Assist program in partnership with iimjobs, where you'll be getting 6 months of pro membership for free, resume building support, and your profile gets highlighted directly to the recruiters. And people are actually getting results. So honestly, this is the best time to start your journey. Click on the link below and check out the full course details and talk to an advisor if you have any questions. Because a year from now, you could either be watching someone else land that dream job, or you could be that person. Now, moving on to number 3, and honestly, this one is for people who don't just want to analyze data, they want to build things with it. This is Simplilearn's Data Scientist Masters Program. Now, you might be wondering, wait, what's the difference between a data analyst and a data scientist? Think of it this way. A data analyst will tell you what has happened, a data scientist will tell you what's going to happen next, and then build a system to act on it automatically. That's a completely different level. And that's exactly what this course trains you for. This is an 11-month live interactive program, again built in collaboration with Microsoft Azure, and it covers everything from the ground up. We are talking about Python, SQL, advanced statistics, machine learning, deep learning, and it doesn't stop there. This program also covers generative AI, large language models, RAG, which means you're not just learning yesterday's data science, you are learning what the industry actually needs right now. And the best part is, no prior programming experience is needed. If you're coming from a non-tech background, this course is designed for you. Now let me tell you what really sets this apart. The projects. You'll be working on 15 plus real-world projects across different domains, things like predicting sales for Walmart stores, building a music recommendation system, analyzing employee performance using machine learning. These are real business problems, real data sets and solutions. And on the top of that, you get 3 capstone projects across different domains. So by the time you're done, your portfolio is all ready. And the people who have already done this course, their careers actually have moved. Beginners who walked out with job-ready skills, professionals stuck in the same role for years who finally made the switch, people who took a career break and came back stronger than ever. So go and check out the program link in the description. The course might just be something that changes everything. Now the next one is very special, and I say that because this isn't just another online certification. This is Simplilearn's professional certificate program in AI-powered data analytics in collaboration with IIT Madras. Yes, IIT Madras. So you're not just getting a certificate from Simplilearn, you're also getting a program completion certificate from IITM Pravartak, the technology innovation arm of one of the India's most respected institutions. And as a part of this program, you actually get to visit the IIT Madras Research Park for a 2-day campus immersion, real classroom, real networking, real connections. You will also walk away with IBM certificates on the top of that. So in one program, IIT Madras, IBM and Simplilearn, that's a powerful combination on any resume. But here's what really sets this apart. The word AI powered in the title actually means something here. Now this program doesn't just teach you data analytics, it teaches you how to use AI to automate the entire analytics process, building AI agents, working on tools like QAI, LangChain, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, things most data professionals haven't even touched yet. The curriculum covers everything from SQL, Python to machine learning, deep learning, cloud AI platforms, and even agentic AI. Masterclasses by actual IIT Madras faculty. 7-month live and interactive, and honestly, one of the most future-ready programs on the list. You'll be working on 11 real-world projects, from building AI-powered dashboards to creating autonomous agents for sales and also marketing analytics. Plus a full capstone project that ties it all together. And the career support is a level up to AI-powered resume optimization, one-on-one mock interviews and custom job matching. Companies like Microsoft, Google, IBM and Amazon are actively hiring for this program. So go and check out the program link in the description. This could be the step that opens up your next big opportunity. And last but absolutely not the least, this one is for anyone who wants to get into data science but doesn't know from where to start. This is Simplilearn's Applied Data Science with Python course, and if Python has ever felt scary or overwhelming to you, this course was literally made for you. See, every data science job you look at, Python is there. Every tool, every project, every interview, Python comes up. It is the single most important skill in data science right now, and this course gives you complete command over it. You'll be learning data wrangling, data visualization, data analysis, web scraping, statistics, hypothesis building, NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, scikit-learn, everything you need to know to actually work with data using Python. 60 plus hours of blended learning, interactive Jupyter Notebook labs, dedicated live sessions by industry experts, and lifetime access to all the content so you can revisit anything anytime. Now what I love about this course is how accessible it is. You don't need a tech background, you don't need prior coding experience. If you have an undergraduate degree or even a high school diploma and a genuine curiosity for data, you're eligible for it. Now, whether you're a software professional exploring analytics, a working professional looking to upskill, or someone just starting the data science journey from scratch, this course meets you exactly where you are. So go and check out the program link in the description. This could be the next step that opens up your next big opportunity. And that brings us to the end of today's video. We looked at some of the best data science programs that can help you build real skills, work on practical projects, and prepare the kind of roles companies are actually hiring in 2026. But remember, a certification alone will not change your career overnight. What really makes a difference is what you will do with it. The projects you build, the tools you practice, the problems you solve, and the confidence you gain along the way. So whether you're a beginner, a career switcher, or a working professional trying to move into AI and data science, this could be the right time to take that first serious step and choose the program that fits your career goal the best. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Simply Learn's YouTube channel for more videos that help you build future ready skills. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.